Murigira sorbo tronde ebyombe ao ebitenderete Abakori Emeremo ase sector yobochenu nigo bono boesokire na Komochia Abagabana sogosinyo EIKERANIE obochenu ase chinyagitari chechi county egati abarai bebyombe ebyo Peterson Washira omorai w'ekiombe gia clinical officers George Kibore omoriki omonene Okuko amo nabarai bande nigo bono batebire omogiro bwa Abakori Emeremo abwo nigo bono ogochia kogendera goika eserekari EIKERANIE amagania abo murikite na mora na mange.
Ebyombe ao biria biteneneta Abakori Emeremo bobochenu ime ya Kenya bemurunganeirie oboteneneri bobokoreri bobochenu ase chinyagitari ao batebire abagavana tibabwaterereti abanyagetari na amagani abo ase batebire serikali nene nigegwenerete gotenenera obokoreri bobochenu bwechi county.
The weight of delivering quality healthcare services to the citizens of Kenya is too heavy for the country government to bear. And I think it is time they come out and declare that they are not able to manage healthcare services, so that then the health services can be transferred back to the national government. And as we stand here today, our clarion call, because our members are suffering, the public is suffering, our clarion call is to revert back the healthcare to the national government as soon as possible, because we cannot continue like this. Healthcare, just like security and just like education, is a very important sector.
Nigo batebire Abakori Emeremo bonsi bechinyagitari che serikali nigo bare ase omogiro na obokoreri bonde bwensi tibulibule ase chinyagitari echo ase bamochiri eserikali ase ogotakumia.
As we stand here, hospitals are closed across the country. If you have gone round, it's only the doctors who are not on strike. The nurses, the clinical officers, laboratory officers, public health officers are all on strike, and facilities are not working. But yet the governors do not see any problem with it. And that is why we are saying it is a case of negligence, and it's negligence because they have been given a mandate by Kenyans.
Nigo baburirie abakenya bamochie serikali kurende tali abanyagitari ekiagera nonya nabo nigo baumiete.
As the healthcare workers, while the government wants to guilt trip us into that we are neglecting our duties, we are sorry it is not our doing. It is them that have pushed us to this far, and we want to continue asking Kenyans to blame them and not us as the healthcare workers, because even if they called for a negotiation like right now to end this strike, we are here, we are available.
Bono obatianire kogenderera no omogiro goika amagani abo AIKERANIE.
So the strike that we called 3 weeks ago shall continue until all our demands are met, and more so the absorption of UHC workers and Global Fund workers into permanent and pensionable terms, because the money is there.
Kuripoteria ETV Yansoko Erieta Nedi Namora.